How do you compare decimals? Let's learn. How can we say that a decimal is greater or smaller than the other decimal? Let's take a few decimals and compare them. Let's take 1.005 and 1.3. Which decimal number is greater? The highest place value in these two numbers is ones. We start with ones. Then we compare tenths, hundredths, and so on. We stop whenever they are unequal. The digit that is unequal decides which number is greater. Let us continue with this example. In place value of ones, both the values are equal to 1, so we go on to the next smaller place value, tenths. In tenths, we have 0 and 3. 3 is greater, so we don't have to compare any more digits. Since 3 is greater than 0, we have 1.3 greater than 1.005. So 1.3 is greater than 1.005. Let us take one more example. Compare 2.3 and 0.23. This is a tricky question as the digits are the same. Let us start with the highest place value here, ones. 2 is greater than 0. We do not need to compare any more digits. We have our answer. .3 is greater than 0.23. Let us take another example. Compare 0.03 and 0.30. Let us compare the highest place value, ones. Both values are equal, so we go on to compare tenths. In tenths, 0 is less than 3. We do not need to compare any more digits. We have 0.03 is lesser than 0.30. Let us take one more example. Compare 0.23 and 0.25. Comparing digits in the highest place value of ones, they are both equal, 0. So we move to comparing tenths. Digits in the place value of tenths are also equal to 2. So we go on to compare digits in the place value of hundredths. In hundredths, 3 is lesser than 5. So we have our answer. 0.23 is lesser than 0.25. A few points to remember. If you have two decimal numbers with unequal number of digits after decimal, you can add zeros for them to have same number of digits after the decimal. This does not alter the value of the decimal numbers, but makes it easier to compare. Keep learning. STEMKit Conceptual Maths Grade 4.